Resistors connected in series. When resistance are joined end to end with each other as shown in the diagram, then resistances are said to be connected in series. Let's study how to find total effective resistances of resistors connected in series. If resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series to a circuit with current, I, and potential difference, V, the total potential difference across combination of resistors in series is equal to sum of potential difference across each resistors in the circuit, that is, V equals V1 plus V2 plus V3, where V1 is voltage across R1, V2 is voltage across R2, and V3 is voltage across R3. But current I is same across all resistors. According to Ohm's law, V equals IR. Apply this to the equation V equals V1 plus V2 plus V3, then the equation becomes IR equals IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Divided this whole equation with I, then R equals R1 plus R2 plus R3. So the effective resistance of resistors connected in series, R equals R1 plus R2 plus R3.